before I start today's deck design video, I have a little backstory for the design that we're doing, so bear with me, please, and thank you. If you guys didn't know, I've made custom skateboards for roughly 3 to 4 years now, and during that time, I've always reached out or tried to reach out to multiple people and basically sponsor videos or just give away custom designs to people that are like-minded or that like anime or skaters or car people. I've tried to reach out a lot to a bunch of different people, and it has failed almost every single time, except for with Ashton Kelly, which was with the help of LM Grip Art, so thank you LM Grip Art. And I've made 2 or 3 designs for Ashton Kelly. Well, today I'm going to be making a custom design skateboard for Ryan Williams, and if you don't know who that is, he is a BMXer scooter. He's absolutely phenomenal, absolutely insane. The guy is a beast when it comes to a bike and a scooter, and he's done stuff with Nitro Circus, X Games. I think he has like 3 or 4 gold medals. I really don't know how many medals he has. It's just, the guy's insane. I've been watching him for a long time, and I finally got a response from someone like him to design a custom skateboard. But there is a sad story behind it, which, you know, it sucks. But it's also kind of cool because the memory of what I'm about to tell you will live on. So a few weeks ago, Luke Burland, one of his best friends, Ryan Williams' best friends, passed away. And to honor him, Ryan Williams got a tattoo of his favorite anime character personality that matched Luke, which is Tengen from Demon Slayer, which, by the way, that's an awesome badass character from Demon Slayer. Absolutely love that guy. And if you haven't watched season 2, definitely check it out because it's insane. But anyway, he got a tattoo of Tengen, and today we're gonna be designing a skateboard with Tengen on it, which, that's dope, love it. There is a little surprise that I'm gonna have on the board. It's very subtle, but I think it is in honor of Luke, and it's done really well. At least in my head, I think it'll look really good and will work. I don't exactly know, but that's enough talking, that's enough rambling. Please leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. It would really help out. And without any further ado, let's get started on today's deck design, shall we? So as you can tell in that first part, I was trying something a little different and getting close-up shots instead of my usual far-away time-lapse videos. If you like the change and seeing these up-close shots, let me know. I'm trying to mix it up a little and see what you guys like more. By the way, if you're a fan of Demon Slayer and love this design, I will also be doing a Rengoku deck for the next video. Someone commissioned me to make that and a Black Clover design, which I haven't done yet, so I'm pretty excited for those. So yeah, stay tuned for that in the near future. But anyway, back to the video. So I'm very close to finishing this board, and it looks amazing. I absolutely love the way it's turning out, but as you can tell, it's missing the Japanese font here and the Japanese font right here. And I had this crazy idea to make something for Luke, because this board, again, is in memory of him or in honor of him, and I came with the idea to do Long Live Luke in Japanese. So I'm hoping that's going to be correct. I don't speak Japanese, I don't know how to write it. I'm using Google Translate, so I hope, fingers crossed, that it's going to work, but I think that would be a good way to honor Luke and have something about him on this board instead of just, you know, my art and potentially my logo up here. But yeah, again, it's looking really good. Fingers crossed that I can make this work and that it's actually correct. well, there is the finished look, and I think it looks absolutely badass. I love it 100%. It turned out really, really good, and the details I think are incredible as well. I didn't put my logo on here just yet. I'm actually gonna put a sticker on here, so if Ryan Williams wants to display it and remove my logo, he can, but I do wanna go ahead and send it out with the logo and just be respectful of him and the memory of Luke, which again, that says long live Luke. I did look it up on Google and use the Google Translate with the camera, and everything reads correctly. Is it correct? I don't know. I hope it is. Somebody in the comments let me know if that's correct, because again, I don't know, and I hope it is. I just use Google. But yeah, I just want to kind of respect Ryan and Luke and their friendships they had, so I don't want to take away from the design or the memory of him by putting my logo up here. But again, I do want it to be on there, so I'll let Ryan decide if he wants to remove it or not. Anyway, before I end today's video, I want to give you one last look before I send it off to Ryan. Oh my God, just everything about it looks so great. All right, I think that's gonna be it. Well, I hope you guys are as excited as I am for Ryan to receive his board. I hope he likes it, I hope he loves it, and I hope that it is a good memory of Luke. And I hope I did a good job on that. Let me know if you think I did down in the comments below. And Ryan, if you're watching this, let me know what you think about it, I guess, because I'd like to know. Anyway, that is going to be it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, leave a like if you enjoyed the video, comment down below on what you want to see next, and if you are new, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. I would like to get realistically 11,000 before the year is over. I feel like it's doable, but YouTube says it's not doable. And again, I've been doing YouTube for 6 years, almost 7 years, and hopefully we can get it. I don't know. I'm trying to be optimistic here. All right, anyway, that's gonna be it. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay awesome. Later. Oh, that was easy. Wow.